Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss the answers of the question bank of the paper EEG 1 of first year BDP English Honors under Netaji Subhas Open University in West Bengal. So let's start. Question number 1. Which group of people was the first to arrive from the continent after the departure of the Romans from Britain? Answer is Celt. Question number 2. In which year was the Battle of Hastings fought? Answer is 1066. Question number 3. Into how many groups are the surviving remains of Old English literature generally divided? Answer is 4. Question number 4. Why is the Battle of Maldon an important literary piece? Answer is it gives the story of defeat the English suffered at the hands of Danes. Question number 5. Of how many apostles' life stories does the Fates of the Apostles narrate? Answer is 12. Question number 6. Which is a text of the Matter of England within the corpus of Middle English romances? Answer is Kinghorn. Question number 7. The 4 pp is an interlude written by whom? Answer is John Heywood. Question number 8. In the Old English epic, which son is Beowulf? Answer is Ecgtheow. Question number 9. Against which backdrop is Geoffrey Chaucer's Troilus and Cressida set? Answer is Trojan War. Question number 10. In the prologue to the Canterbury Tales, Chaucer represents 3 ideal characters on the pilgrimage. Who are they? Answer is knight, person, and plowman. Question number 11. To which cycle does the second Shepherd's Play belong? Answer is Wakefield cycle. Question number 12. What do place names ending with suffix like Thorpe, Beck, and Dale mean? Answer is village, brook, and valley. Question number 13. What did the words bloom mean in Old English? Answer is mass of metal. Question number 14. What does the term Anglo-Norman refer to? Answer is Northmen. Question number 15. From which languages do the words breakfast and dinner derive? Answer is French. Question number 16. When did the French word limousine enter the English vocabulary? Answer is 20th century. Question number 17. What does the Latin word popping mean in English? Answer is poppy. Question number 18. In which period the word custody borrowed into English? Answer is Middle English period. Question number 19. Approximately how many words did Shakespeare's vocabulary consist of according to Otto Jespersen? Answer is 21,000. Question number 20. I have no mind for feasting forth tonight. Which utterance is this? Answer is Shylock in Merchant of Venice. Question number 21. Who had to die for having translated the Bible? Answer is William Tyndale. Question number 22. Who was the first person to translate the entire Bible into English? Answer is John Wycliffe. Question number 23. In which year was the authorized version of the Bible published? Answer is 1611. Question number 24. What does the Greek word phony mean? Answer is sound. Question number 25. Into how many branches can the study of phonetics be divided? Answer is 3. Question number 26. Where in the human physiognomy is the larynx situated? Answer is at the top of the windpipe. Question number 27. Of which organ is the blade a part? Answer is tongue. There is a spelling mistake. Question number 28. What kind of plosive is the word tub? Answer is voiced bilabial plosive. Question number 29. How many cardinal vowels did the English phonetician Daniel Jones devise? Answer is 8 cardinal vowels. Question number 30. On what is a pun as a figure of speech based? Answer is sound. Question number 31. What was the contribution of Roman Emperor Claudius in early Britain? Answer is he took earnest steps for a systematic domination of the island. Question number 32. The Saxons came to Britain from which region? Answer is West Germany. Question number 33. Which event is considered to be turning point in English history in terms of its language and literature? Answer is England's conversion to Christianity. Question number 34. In which year was the Treaty of Wedmore signed? Answer is 878 AD. Question number 35. Who were Normans? Answer is Scandinavians. Question number 36. Which of the dialects became the standard during Anglo-Saxon period? Answer is West Saxon. Question number 37. What was Christianity's major contribution to English language? Answer is it replaced many of the pagan references by Christian ones and toned down the fierce note. Question number 38. Which statement is correct about the 4 surviving Anglo-Saxon manuscripts? Answer is all are in verse form. Question number 39. What is Heorot? Answer is a hall built on the edge of the moorland. It is built by Hrothgar. Question number 40. Beowulf is a primary epic because of which reason? Answer is it first existed in the oral tradition. Question number 41. The character of Hanif found in which writing? Answer is the Battle of Finnsburg or the fight at Finnsburg. Question number 42. In how many categories in medieval romances divided? Answer is 4. Question number 43. Which is a matter of France text within the corpus of Middle English romances? Answer is Chanson de Roland. Question number 44. What is the theme of the Book of the Duchess? Answer is Death of Blanche, the Duchess of Lancaster. Question number 45. What does Langland criticize through Piers the Plowman? Answer is all forms of vices practiced in the church. Question number 46. In which year was the Feast of Corpus Christi confirmed? Answer is 1311. Question number 47. What was not a distinctive feature of the Miracle Place from Chester, York and Wakefield? Answer is dialogue and action. Question number 48. What do women most desire according to the wife of Bath? Answer is sovereignty. Question number 49. Surrender is a verb borrowed into English from which sources? Answer is French. Question number 50. What does the Johnsonese expression, the disastrous conflagration extended its devastating career, mean? Answer is the great fire spread. Question number 51. Which happies those that play the willing lone? In this sentence, happy is used as what? As verb to make happy. Question number 52. What was Shakespeare's chief purpose to use language? Answer is to individualize his characters. Question number 53. What does Septuagint mean in the context of English language and literature? Answer is 70 scholars of Alexandria engaged in translating Bible for the sake of Jews who could no longer read the Hebrew Bible. Question number 54. Why is the word Vulgate significant for English literary history? Answer is Vulgate version was the England's first Bible. It means to make common or public. Question number 55. When did the Protestant movement come to England? Answer is 16th century. Question number 56. What is acoustic phonetics? Answer is it is the study of the physical properties of speech sound such as frequency and amplitude in their transmission from the speaker to the listener. Question number 57. Where is the trachea? There is a mistake. Situated in the respiratory system. Answer is under larynx. Question number 58. How many semivowels are there in English? Answer is 2. W and J. Question number 59. There is a pleasure in poetic pens. What figure of speech does this line exemplify? Answer is epigram. Question number 60. What is an IMP? Answer is when first syllable is untraced and the second is traced. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.